Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the R cross C character matrix as the input and then position of the three corners of a triangle and now we have to modify the border of the triangle with asterisk, and finally the program must print the modified matrix as the output. So here instead of modify we'll have replace. So first we are going to accept the R cross C character matrix and also the positions of the three corners of a triangle, and then it would be in any order, and replace the border of the triangle with asterisk, and finally the program must print the modified matrix. So now this is our first test case. So here we have 8 cross 6 matrix and this is that. So these are the triangle positions. So now we'll mark each position. That is, first we have 4 comma 6, and next we have 1 comma 3, and then we have 7 comma 3. So now we'll have the border elements, that is there is this and this. So now after getting the border elements we have to replace it with asterisk. So now this will be replaced with asterisk and this matrix will be our output. Now we'll take our another disk case. So here we have 9 cross 10 matrix and these are the positions of the triangle. So first we have 7 comma 6. So here it is, and then we have 4 comma 3, and then we have 4 comma 6. So now we'll have the border elements. So we'll mark the border elements. Now we'll have MXXB, and then we have in a standing way TUH. So since here it is 4 comma 3, we have in H. So this are the border elements. So now we must replace these elements with asterisk. Now this will be our modified matrix, which will be our output. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the R comma C, that is the rows and columns. And then we'll get the matrix equal to input of dot split of for row in range R, and then we'll get the position of the triangle, that is x1 y1. Similarly, we'll have x2 y2 and x3 y3. So now this will give the position of the triangle. Now since index starts from 0, we have to minus 1 for each position. So for that, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 will be equal to x1 minus 1, x2 minus 1, x3 minus 1, y1 minus 1, y2 minus 1, and y3 minus 1. So now after this, we'll have a function called traverse, which will be defined later, where we are going to pass the first corner, and that would be points from x1, y1 and to x2, y2. And then we have again call the function traverse, where we'll have the another corner, that is x2, y2, which is passing through x3 and y3. And then we again call the function traverse, where we'll pass the third position and up to the first position. So this will represent another corner. So now we'll iterate over, that is for row in matrix, we have to print asterisk row. So now let us define the traverse function. Def traverse of a1 comma b1 comma a2 comma b2. So now we'll have while loop, that is for while a1 is not equal to b1, sorry, a2, or b1 not equal to b2, then the matrix of a1 and b1 will be in the asterisk. And then if the a1 is not equal to a2, then if a1 greater than a2, we have a1 decremented by 1 and else will increment a1. And if b1 not equal to b2, and if b1 greater than b2, then b1 will be decremented by 1 and else b1 will be incremented by 1. So in the function traverse, we have a while loop. So this while loop will check whether A1 not equal to A2 or B1 not equal to B2. So it will pass only from these two positions, and first we'll have the current matrix to be in asterisk and then we check the condition. So if A1 is not equal to A2, these two statements will have executed. Then if B1 not equal to B2, then these conditions will be checked. So now let us implement our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output, that is the asterisk in the border of the triangle. Now we'll pass our another test case. So here also we have got the correct output, that is the asterisk it is present in the border of triangle.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.